Hey, it's Jay with General Formulations, here for another GF Product Snapshot. Today we're talking about GF 234 GraphiTex. This is our 7mm polyester woven fabric with a nice texture to it. As you can see, it's made for smooth painted drywall surfaces, and you're able to do edge-to-edge printing with no lift and no loose fibers. The removable low-tack adhesive on it is suitable for walls. It's forgiving, and even if you mess up an install and touch, it's not going to stick to itself. Check out this and our other wall products over at generalformulations.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to follow us over on Instagram. Thanks. See you next time.